In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss certain expected and important questions on jurisprudence. So, there are almost 42 expected questions on jurisprudence relating to 5-year LLB examination or 3-year LLB examinations, also regarding judicial services examinations. So, out of this, the first one, the natural law theories reflect a perpetual quest for absolute justice elucidate. And the second question, write an essay on the revival of natural law theory in the 20th century with special reference to the view of Stamler. And the third question, the term natural law has been variously applied by different people at different times. Narrate in brief and point out its social relevance. And the fourth question, it is said that rights are legally protected interest. Discuss, are there such things? Natural rights. Explain. And regarding these four questions, which deals with the natural law school of jurisprudence, and that already we have discussed in a series of videos. And as regarding to a brief introduction about this question, how to deal these questions, we can say that regarding natural law, how it originated and developed by the sophists and the Greek political philosophers like Heraclitus, Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and by the Roman political and legal philosophers and jurists who gave it a legal connotation like Cicero, Ulpian, Justinian, etc., and how they differentiate between jus natural, jus civili, and jus gentium, and that jus gentium was the first kind of international law. Then how it was handled by the religious scholars, the holy church fathers, and by giving it a divine connotation, and in the same way how Saint Thomas Aquinas gave it an divine color. And in the modern period, it was the English political philosopher Thomas Hobbes who separated and made it an secular and political quest for its appropriate use in the context of sovereignty and state, and how it was in the hand of Locke became right to life, liberty, and estate, and how in the hand of French political philosopher Jean-Jacques Rousseau it became right to equality. So they have discussed regarding political, legal, and popular sovereignty, and how it was in the hand of Immanuel Kant and Joseph Stamler and Leon Fuller got its new connotation, and how it was revived in the 20th century in a new form, and how natural rights are become parts of human rights and the basic fundamental rights, and now it is an inherent part of the international human rights. And in our next upcoming video, we'll discuss all the other questions such as relating to law and morals and the very contention of command of a sovereign, and all other questions that we have left we'll discuss in the upcoming videos.